A compromised site is an error where Google thinks that your website security has been compromised, or a third party has affected your website, be it in a frame in a way of your website security has been compromised, third party malware or a plugin or any other vulnerability is on your website, which is why your website does not seem to be suitable to be the part of a Google search engine or Google Ads. So, which is why people get a Google Ads compromised label on their website, causing them a huge loss, resulting in huge traffic loss plus a financial loss. In this video, I'm going to discuss regarding an amazing case study where one of our existing client got affected with compromised site and how we were able to restore their website. So let's get started. So this is a website based in USA and targeting USA services. So it's a blue shark. This you may see around over here. Now this is an approved website. A lot of change may have been done on the website for the approval, and it's a team collaborative effort. So let me show you a few of the things and then get started on this. So let's start first of all with the suspensions. So you guys have an idea. So you may see around over here, this is suspension over here. You see the website, compromise site error is over there. Another image I'm going to show you, you can see compromise site error is over there. And the Google initially think that there is a content loaded from this website, which is not ideally the website. So this was an issue as well, but during our discovery, we found many other issues as well. Another over here, you can see 5 ads disapproved. And other image over here, again ads disapproved. Another you may see around over here, the website is disapproved on Google Ads network. And another over here where the website has been labeled as compromised site error. Now this is an error which resulted them a huge loss. Now whenever there is a situation like this, what we do is we do a combined effort and work on sorting around on, if we look around on different malwares, adwares to see any error on the website. We get thorough constructive review of the website, source code. We look for the source code. We also look for all the plugins mentioned on the website. We look on the past performance. Sometimes it's an IP address issue or your hosting issue, which can cause compromised site issue. So we have to look for that issue as well during our compliance audit review. Also, we have 160 plus checklist which we created after sorting dozens of cases related to Google Ads suspension. This is the case of Google Ads disapproval, not suspension. I'm just telling you. Plus Google Business Profile suspension, Google Merchant Center suspension. So which is how we learned all of these things. So now I'm going to show you the things which my team did and how we were able to restore it. So I'm going to go with a few of the audits to have you give you an idea. So you see around, you can see around, it took us quite a time to get it restored, and we keep it running for some time before sharing it with you guys, because we wanted to ensure that everything is working fine. So we see around over here, there were some broken links found as well. Sometimes the content plagiarism is an issue. Sometimes broken images, duplicate images is an issue. So, but the team pointed around the disapproval from CORFO.org. So somewhere there's an iframe issue which is being, the website content is loaded from CORFO.org, which Google considers malicious or unauthorized. And because the store is on the Shopify, a third-party app or inserted script and theme could code that links to domain could be an issue. So you see around over here that this could be an issue, and we need to identify and remove all references to CORFO in themes, files, apps, edition. So these were the basic observations, including broken links. We suggested improvement like adding company details in footer sections such as company name, phone number, address, business name, email with time zone. Okay, and other thing interestingly I wanted to add on it. Once a client enrolls our service, we usually create a WhatsApp group, and over there is an extensive amount of discussion which is not the part of this video, but I'm telling you there are many changes. These are the main changes. some more script found by the team over here, and we need a Shopify access to move on. And other audit I'm going to show you over here, which fixed down small things, even the promotional banner overload. The content could be, sometimes issues, sometimes misleading claims, because now the site is disapproval state, so Google is going to look around for other things as well. Some visibility, search, accessibility, some content quality, no structured data. Again, these are minor, major. My team pointed around all of these things as well. So Robots.txt file was also missing. Page speed needed to be optimized. I'm just sharing with you. Okay, another thing over here is that one of my team member discussed regarding this, and we thought a possibility of reinstalling the theme because the theme had an issue. This was another thing, I'm just moving forward because this is a little internal communication where the one of my team members suggested to reinstall the website, because once we were sorting out one error, another error is coming in. So we were at a stage of going nowhere after some time, so which is why one of my team members suggested this. You may see down over here, this is the search console issues, and we had to apply multiple times for revalidation to get it approved. And you may see around over here that one of my team members discussed, and you may see, thank you for response. I sincerely apologize for this inconvenience. I would like to inform you that your case has been forwarded to our dedicated internal team for immediate investigation. I shall notify you as soon as I receive an update regarding their finds. So you may see around over here. In the interim, if I have any questions, feel free to reply. Another search console error over here. Another, you may see around over here, a lot of work was done internally as well. Some small changes on the website, internal communication was being done, some small changes, some cookies concept. Even the payment methods being mentioned on the website and on the checkout also was cross-checked. Everything, the social media links, everything was cross-checked during the process. You may see these are the payment methods which were verified in the checkout procedure. We looked specifically if there is an issue in the checkout, if there is any other issue, plus some multiple communication with the Google, plus cache updates, small changes on disclaimer policy, method policy, because now the site is a Google Eye, so another issue can also point to disapproval or eventually suspension. So we had to go through each and everything, and after this, I'm going to show you two things. The first is, this is an email, where the site started getting disapproved but had a past violation error, and then eventually we got it approved over here. So you may see around over here, we got it approved, we start getting clicks, and after some time, I'm sharing with you. This is another successful case study for Google Ads compromise site. And if primarily we are a Google Ads PPC agency when we help clients with Google Ads management, but if your ads are affected, or ads are disapproved, or if your ads are suspended for compromised site, circumventing system, misrepresentation, unreliable claim, or any other issue, me and my team will love to help you. We are a full-fledged digital marketing company and a Google partner company, with Google recognizing as a partner. So if you need our services, we will love to help you. Just like this amazing case study, we look forward working with you. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description, or our website name is AARSWEBS.com. So if you need either of the services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we look forward working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye-bye.